Love is in.
Rocking around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop.
Hey guys, so this is how we're starting off the video. I think I'm gonna do Vlogmas. Let's see how well it goes. So my Vlogmas starts off with us going to the shop, the corner shop that is. Cause if you live in Jamaica, you know what a corner store is. It's the corner shop. Them basically shop at any corner where you live. We can't explain it no better. So basically, we need some things for dinner tonight. Well, some spices and so forth. So yeah, go for it right now with me and my cousin Tasha. As you know, she's here for some time. Yeah, so we can get it. See her here. Where for Tasha?
We got them bad.
You wrote them bad? Bad, true. But I'm build up there, so us.
I think.
No, I'm gonna expose the people and go show them their house. What's that, you know?
I went to session here I go.
Alright guys, I'll pass some part here, so please get back now. Sir?
I'm gonna go with 2 bags. You ever seen this? No.
Where are you going to my car? Sir?
We don't know.
Oh, afternoon. Yeah, vegetable aisle. Some one, please. How much in medium? 270? Yeah, give me. And at the meat you want, the leader, you have the leader on? Yeah. No, Irish potato. Uncle, yeah, give me Uncle Sam. Irish potato, 1 pound. Yes guys, we finally reached. You buy something to that?
Yeah. But I want this, have it. You don't see it?
What, the
You have
popcorn?
to add, no.
What?
Peel.
Yeah, I forgot to ask.
Are we trying to
You get it? You have jerk season? Yeah, more than that as well.
Okay, can you have it?
I want one. A pepper sardine and a... Alright, give me a sardine and a pepper sausage. You have a pepper sausage? Alright, give me that. Check me up. Check me.
Check me out.
Where are the fuck?
To be peel?
I remember I jerk season too. Yeah. Oh, yeah, have it.
And to wash my bed.
Wait, I have to still much this come before me buy it. Huh?
925.
What, 1,025?
925.
Come again, man, from Orange. Well, let's see if I guys all that one.
Yep.
Oh boy. I never the cash. I have to shop by the liquor island. But she wants the thing here. How much is the mystery? Instead, I really want a big bag of juice. D&G.
Ginger.
You see,
Yeah, almost 25. That means that's 20.
Me owe you 25. Alright. 25.
What am I go for?
Okay, wait, I'm not gonna find the little one or a big one in my hand. A big one, me not talk about, you know. A the big D&G, me not talk how much it.
Ginger beer me here, me no hear no D&G. A ginger beer.
A ginger beer, me say?
A ginger beer me here. He said.
How much it? Eh? Ginger beer.
Is ginger beer
Yeah,
me
but
here
to put
too?
in a ginger beer, me can't go
Alright.
thing there.
Anyone you find?
Ah, me not hear you. Alright, yeah, alright, give me.
I look one them.
It's like how we can't buy it. You can see. You can see.
So you can't.
Can't get a bigger one, Chappy. Don't say that. Thanks. To get through, I don't know if I'm gonna put in the clips of the audio of what actually went down at the shop. But basically, when you got Jamaica, the body can't buy no again. $1,000 like $100 now. That's about $1 US. $1,000 come right now. Ah, it's sticky out here. But we're going back at home now. So see you then. Tasha, that is true. The sun is hot. Tasha, that is true. The sun is hot. Oh God. No man, guy, if people watch this from government, look on the bad road, look on the road. What is? What is? Eh? I tell you.
Mr. Prime Minister, I need to fix you again.
So true. What's that?
Hey! You know, the trouble
Yeah,
dog.
so the trouble when you, the trouble when the trouble you.
And it's still a look.
You look, you see? It doesn't look like they're ready for just jump over a fence right now. Oh boy, man, I tell no lie. So when you start Vlogmas, nothing but a Christmas. Right now, the food we say on here, man. And life, thank God to life. So yes, guys, we're back home. And my cousin's looking for something pertaining to her laptop, computer. You may talk to them. So yeah. Wait, Tash, let me just show the people. If you have wait, Tash, if my finger. If you have not yet subscribed to Zasha D, look at my new banner, guys. What do you think of my new banner? If you have not yet subscribed, go and subscribe. Look at me and tell me what you think about the banner below. Okay, my camera is like a 180-degree pitch angle, so it kind of look weird. But go and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay, support your girl, support the thing. Say lifestyle, baking, cooking. My cousin laugh for me. But make sure you subscribe, okay? There's so much content for you guys. Especially you're supposed to tune into the latest one where I got a dream. Where I got a dream from the Lord. And you know, if you listen to it, it has what would you say, Tash? It's very in life-changing, informative to know, you know, what God has told me and shown me, and you guys can just look at it, guys. Watch it. It's very important. If you don't watch anything else on my channel, ensure you watch this. Okay? Okay. And yeah, look at the content, guys. Come on, man. Come on. Support the thing, and if you have not yet checked out this video with me and my mom, go and check it out. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So make sure you go back and do our thing. Guys, remember, go and subscribe if you have not been subscribing. Subscribe. And watch this video as well. This one with the ice cream making without a machine. This will teach you guys how to make ice cream without an ice cream maker. Although it's pertaining to Supergen, but it will still help you to know how to make ice cream. Check it out. Alright, man, okay, guys, so I recorded a clip not too long ago, but inside the room was so dark I had to come out the veranda and practically set back everything over again. So I was just saying that the Christmas tree, normally people say you're supposed to put out a Christmas tree 12 days before Christmas, and then if you're going to take it up back, meaning like when Christmas done, everything finished, pack up, then I thought you'd take it down 12 days after Christmas. But the way things, sorry about that, I heard a man over there all bell ring. After the lady go cut down the bush and then gone through over there again. Jamaican people love get themselves in a trouble, eh? Yeah, guys. Let me message right now, you know. As I was saying, guys, 12 days before Christmas, 12 days after, you would normally like put up a tree 12 days before, 12 days after you take it down. But no, because of what's going on, I'm seeing a lot of YouTubers, big and small, putting up their Christmas tree, which I wanted to do a video on as well. Probably not, don't know, but I don't think it's going to be today. Instead, we're going to be making cookies, me and my cousin. Sorry for my dry lips, guys. Let's check it for the weather. My shop botanical. Okay, chopstick. Vaseline. This is my personality when I'm vlogging. I kind of have like a goofy type of personality at times. Anyways, I'm gonna say cookies. Yes. So as you know, we just come back from shop and we're going to do some cookies. But after recording the first clip, I remembered we didn't take out no butter. What we're gonna do without, well, make cookies and not have no butter? That don't make no sense. So we just go take it out of the freezer. So I don't know when this cookie are gonna bake, and because I don't have a ring light right now, I rely on the sunlight for my lighting. And by the time we reach 5-6 o'clock, Tashel, by the time we reach that time, sun gone down, which the light now go bright. And we know so people love to come on people's videos to see bright quality content. So I try my best now to see after dinner, if anything, so we can get the footage quickly of us baking, and that would just close off my little vlogmas for the day. Yeah, I don't know how long this vlogmas thing for me is gonna go on, because you have to vlog every day till Christmas. Like, what make a vlog I say so? Because you know some days you're more like active, some days you're not so active, especially you know if you don't have a type of lifestyle where you're constantly doing something. Like, not so we not do nothing, you know, but some days boring, practical, we just stay home, and some days I forgot go run certain errands, you understand? But I'll see if I can make it work. If I even just do baking, but baking costs money. That's why you guys are supposed to subscribe to support the thing. Guys. Anyways, yes guys, that's why you're supposed to subscribe to support the thing.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Yeah.
At 1K before Christmas, and my birthday is coming up. Like, I don't normally brag about my birthday, but if I'm supposed to have a birthday wish, it would be to get 1,000 subscribers before, like on my birthday. Anyway, if after my birthday, if God's will, or before my birthday, if God's will. But I just pray for 1,000 subscribers, okay? So Tash, now, you have anything to add before I close off this part of the vlog? Tashi!
I always put the camera for me. Why?
But guys, please comment down below. Tell her if you make a channel, because YouTube is for everybody. Everybody can do YouTube. There must be something you're passionate about or you want to voice your opinion on. So YouTube give you that platform to just go on and talk about or do whatever you feel passionate about. Yes, you gonna try?
Still I think.
Well, nothing too long. Think too long. Just go for
So
it.
if me do it, you feel say, I will get.
Subscriber?
Yeah.
You don't worry about that.
Subscriber or not, but me as a person, me shy bad. Literally me shy.
Well, you know that you can have content without you having to put your face out there. It's like when I do baking videos, I notice sometimes I don't actually come on camera and talk.
Yeah.
I like voice over, you can do that as well, you know. I suppose you know to create a certain product. Like you can bake or cook, for example. You know you're not going to do that, but suppose that's something like that you're passionate about. You can just do a voiceover, teach people how to do this if you don't, you know. You have any idea where you do content on? You have any idea of what you do content? Not yet? Well, think about it. It's there. And if I can help in any way, I will. So, think about me. Not force or anything. Just saying, just asking. Because I've been asking for about 2-3 times now for the year. If me not lie. Yeah, guys, so just a chillax and rest off. Then, afterwards, if dinner ready, because I'm looking after Din. Yeah, me know someone else was supposed to we should look after dinner, I know. But she look after it, and after she done look after it, then then save the buttermilk and start the baking.
She done put the butter from put out the butter from mine for me.
You love, hey, you love expose people. Yeah, guys, so this part of the video, just going to move on to the other clip. This is my life, not much right now. Chill day, this is more the realistic. No singing a cartel here, gospel song only.
Who tells me listen cartel?
But I wouldn't have sing a cartel.
No. Remember.
Oh, I remember. Oh, my bad. I didn't know. Guys, so you're watching the video that I am now still editing. So I just want to say thank you guys so much if you have reached this far in the video. And as you guys saw before, we didn't get to bake the cookies. So if God's will, tomorrow we'll bake them. That's if we don't have anything else planned. That's if we're still doing Vlogmas, because it's very hard work. Like, this is my first time trying it out, and it's very hard so far to get one video done in a day. That sometimes takes me like a couple of days or a week, depending on what I'm doing. But I'm going to see what will happen, not promising anybody. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, until next time. Bye.